Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open Shortcuts and tap plus to create a new shortcut. Choose the primary trigger, tap, widget, or Siri phrase so you know the end behavior. Next, add obvious building blocks. Get contents of URL, open app, or get file. These form the backbone. Once done, name the shortcut and set its icon for quick recognition. Make sure to grant permissions when prompted. You avoid wasted steps by creating the first prototype now, then refine immediately. Now build the core. Compose actions in sequence and insert if blocks where decisions matter. Variables store intermediate values, so name them clearly. Use repeat for lists and dictionaries for structured data. That way you can parse JSON or API responses reliably. Once composed, test each segment. Run the first 3 actions, inspect results with quick look, then continue. Make sure to add error handling. Use otherwise branches and label branches so you can trace behavior when something diverges. Finish by polishing triggers and output. Convert to a widget, add to home screen, or assign a Siri phrase so activation is instant. Then export or duplicate the shortcut for backups and versioning. Append v1 or v2 to the name. If the shortcut fails, first check permissions and network access. Next, verify action order and variable names. Most breaks are simple mismatches. If an API returns errors, inspect the raw response and adjust parsing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.